Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll get right into it. New bike, or a new battery for the bike. But before we get too rolling into it, if you're new to the channel, welcome in. If you're a repeat watcher, I appreciate it. You know the drill. Drop a like and a comment in the comment section. Since we're covering motorcycles today, drop either your dream bike or what you ride right now. I've got an 85 Honda Nighthawk 650 and a 98 Dyna with the 1320 Evolution 80, 88 cubic inch, all that jazz. So, bike wouldn't crank. Cruised up to AutoZone, shelled out some cash for this Duralast Gold. Heard it's a good battery. Went with it over the regular Duralast because this one you don't have to add acid to. I just didn't want to mess with it because I'm going to throw this in the bike and crank her up and roll on. So, yeah, we're fixing to head back to the house. Let's crank the rig up. Yeah, there she goes. And we'll throw her in there. I'll give you a step-by-step, and we'll crank her up, and then I got to roll. Welcome back, guys. So, first things first. Boom. Get your battery out of the box. You'll see this paper falls out. Let's see if we can get the main gist of this. Known to the state of California to cause cancer. Got it. We're in Texas. Must be fine. I wouldn't go licking this or nothing like that. Especially don't touch both of these terminals at the same time. That'll give you a shock. That'll make the hair stand up on the back of your neck. But this thing run me about 120 bucks. That's the price you're going to pay when you get motorcycle batteries and stuff like that. Because if you buy cheap ones, they're going to go out on you almost like 8 months on the dot. This one has a 6-month warranty, 3-month free warranty, and then 6-month partial warranty. Boom. And look at that. Got a survey for a chance to win $5,000. Maybe I'll get the Camaro running. Who knows? But unboxed, good to go. Don't need to add any acid or anything like that. Got your screws. Now we're ready to rock and roll. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and you're gonna need you a ratchet with a 1/2-inch socket on it and an extension. So as you can see, this is where the battery goes. So I went ahead and put the screws in. So those are going to be your Phillips heads. Go ahead. I seated in there sort of at an angle. So you're going to get your negative terminal. Gotta get those 2 little pieces on there and then screw on nice and gentle like until it just gets snug. Snug's plenty. Then you're going to grab your other screw, seat that battery all the way in there. Get your, oh no, I dropped it. We're good. She fell down. Then you're gonna get your positive side, fish them through, seat it in there. Sorry, y'all can't see. Get it started. Take your screwdriver, then go all the way down until it is snug. Now here's where your 1/2-inch socket comes into play. You're gonna take your long bolt and it goes right there next to the battery. So it's vertical. Go ahead and twist her by hand and then take your ratchet and turn her the rest of the way. Once you get her seated in there, you get your battery cover, you fish it in there, it sits nice and easy. Then you get your topper, and it just sits like that. It's got that little groove that goes underneath that little, if it'll focus, underneath that lip on the frame. Then, since you got your bolt started, you go ahead and you crank her the rest of the way. Once that one's all snugged up, that hole will align just right. Put that shorter of the 2 bolts in there. Make sure she ain't cross-threaded. And then that's where this extension comes in handy, because it's sort of a tight spot to get your hands in there. Whoop. Make sure the threads are right. Boom. And then you send her on in. A couple of turns. Get it finger tight. Throw your ratchet on there and get her snug. Don't want to over tighten. There we go. Then go ahead and throw your seat on there. If she'll go on. Hold on. Got her on. Just needed 2 hands and a little bit of convincing. Then you go ahead and you throw your screw in back here, and that's what you use your flathead for. Go ahead and get her torqued on there. Then you grab your keys, throw it in there, turn her on. We got power. Turn that. Come on over here. Turn the fuel on. Choke her out a bit. Then you crank her up. Guys, that's it for today. Getting ready to hop on, putting on my gear, gloves. That's basically it. But thank you for watching again. Drop a like and a comment. Favorite bike or what bike you ride? I'd love to hear it. Drop a subscribe if you don't mind. You like that fake deer mount? That's the old ladies. I got 3 of mine right there, and then I got a whole lot more in here. I don't know if y'all care, but I'm not a fake hunter or nothing like that. So yeah, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and a comment. Favorite bike, love to hear from you. Shoot me a message on what you want to see on the Dyna or the Nighthawk or the Cummins or the F-150 or the 2500. The 2017 2500, that is. But hey, rubber side down, shiny side up, stay rough and rowdy.